Ever had one of those 90s movie montage gone wrong moments? Meet my Facepalm Friday special. I engraved the wrong font, panicked, and then turned it into a profit. Let's talk about fixing mistakes like an old school DIY rebel. Yep, I messed up, forgot to double check the font, and boom, rookie move. But here's the thing, we've all been there. And replacing pricey tumblers? Ouch, my wallet still hurts. But hey, mistakes are just unplanned masterclasses, right? Step 1. Engrave a blank outline. Now most folks use a fiber laser for cleanup passes. I don't. I find that it actually engraves a bit too deep, so if you wanted to do this fix now, for instance, that would have been almost impossible. So because I only used the blue laser instead, I burned a fresh outline over the mistake. But now you can see that you still have a phantom font haunting this tumbler. So step 2 is to apply some Scotch-Brite magic. This is where elbow grease meets strategy. Scrub with the grain gently but firm. No fancy tools, just good old pressure and patience. Think of it as buffing out a scratch on your first car. Now the MacGyver re-engrave is step 3. Here's my secret weapon. This jig. Homemade, zero frills, 100% reliable. Slot the tumbler back in, hit frame, and bam, your design's locked in. No 10-step alignment drama, just one axis to worry about. Sometimes analog wins. Now let's talk lasers. Blue diode, too hot for thin metal. Warps tumblers like a bad header in humidity. Fiber, well, it's cooler and cleaner. See that charring? Dialed it back using my trusty master plate. Lower power, same grid, trial and error. You bet. But that's how we roll. And there it is, crisis averted, profit intact. Look, we're not here to be perfect, we're here to fix stuff, learn, and keep our clients smiling. So, what's your worst DIY disaster? Drop it below. Misery loves company. So hit subscribe if you're into no BS fixes and saving cash. Until next time, keep it real and keep that Scotch-Brite handy.